Alright guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to sharpen on stone. Most people say it's hard to sharpen on. Well, first get you a towel, lay it down, get water. This is the important part. Without water, you're going to ruin your knife. And if you do soak it, let the water soak. That's the most important thing. Wait till you see no water. Now sharpen. And you do it like 4 or 5 times sharpen on this. You could sharpen on it, I believe, longer. I'm going longer on it. But yeah, if you do this, you will have the nice, insane edge on here. You will have a scalpel edge on stone. And actually, if you sharpen on stone, you get a better edge. And you're smoothing your stone down. And that's good because then you can come back the next time and sharpen it. And if you don't use stone, and you don't use a pull through, I'm going to show you this thing that you shouldn't use. This you throw away. That is no good. Put this all down. I'm going to get another knife and we're going to sharpen another knife. Hold up, guys. Let me get my other knife. I might get a couple more. I'm going to get these knives. I got folders that I need a good sharpen. I got a karambit knife. We're going to sharpen that later. Then I got a cool looking knife, just like a folder. But yeah. But what you do is just do this. It's pretty easy. And when you're sharpening, always hold it. You don't hold it, you hold it like that when you're coming to sharpen. Hold up, it needs water. We're going to move this stone in a little bit more so it don't. I really shouldn't have did that, but oh well. Well, a good thing we have the towel. And I can always just come back and clean it up. But you got to get your stone good and wet. I mean, for how many knives I'm doing like 3 of them. I'm going to need a lot of water. And what I do is sharpen for an hour. Yeah, but you just gotta keep going. Your wrist might get a little tired, but you just gotta keep going. Alright, let's see how this edge did. I'm gonna clean it off. And one thing to always remember, hold up, let me get the leather strap. Hold up, that's a remote. But you want this. You want this work sharp. You could get the leather strap on it. And one thing to always remember is to go one direction this way and this way going back. And this will snap the burr off. And that's a sharp edge. Now we got another one to sharpen. My karambit knife. Same thing. Hold it at an angle. That's pretty sharp. We're going to give it a little bit more of a sharpen. That's pretty sharp. Alright, this one's sharp. Now it's time for this one. I'll sharpen a little bit more that karambit folder. Just, I want to get these sharp. If you think of it, every time you sharpen on these, see, it's already sharp, that one. Now we'll get back to the karambit. We'll do this one, we'll do that other one for a couple more hours. And if you know how to hold your angle on a stone, you're pretty good. Actually, what I'm gonna do is fold up this towel here, and I can see that's from earlier. Now we're gonna get that way I can hold up. Alright. And sharpening on stone really gives you a good edge. You just got to hold that angle on there. But yeah, I recommend just throwing away that pull through and get a stone. Just any stone. I've had this stone for, I don't know, maybe a couple, I don't really know, but maybe a couple, 1 year probably. I have a couple more stones. All I use is stone because pull through will damage the edge. Whetstone actually sharpens the edge. Because think of it, when you're sharpening with that, it moves around and it has 2 teeth that pull metal off the side, and actually it doesn't work because you have to smooth one side, the other side smooth. With a stone you can do that. There goes the metal off. That's the metal. Okay, then that's sharp. Time to do this one again, just because I want to sharpen it a little bit more. Make sure, because you always want to make sure. Alright, yeah. Okay guys, see ya.